Today we had a more leisurely breakfast at the Avani Pattaya Resort Hotel. The hotel put on another amazing breakfast spread, which we enjoyed. We were seated in a different part of the restaurant today. Thus, when we walked out, we saw the hotel had its own hydroponic garden, where they were growing fresh greens. We walked around the pool area to take pictures. And through the gardens in the hotel's courtyards to enjoy the water features. Swing on the swing, and tried our hand at cornhole. Then we walked to the next door shopping mall to visit the Cat Sky Bar and Café. Here we had a chance to meet, pet, and play with a number of friendly cats. This was also my first opportunity to get up close and personal with Sphinx cats. This is a high-maintenance, hairless breed of cat. We fed the cats some snacks. Then we took a taxi to the Art In Paradise Pattaya exhibition. The place bills itself as a unique hands-on museum with dioramas and 3D illusions. Upon entry, we were encouraged to download an app that allowed us to participate in short video scenes at certain exhibits where the video effects and sound were overlaid on the displayed pictures by the app. Here are some samples. The clever paintings looked very 3D until you stepped to the side to see how they were made. The large main room was particularly impressive. It had a number of grand forced perspective images where one could pose to appear to be in dangerous or life-threatening positions. After visiting the exhibition, we went back to the beach for our last sunset in Pattaya, which was particularly colorful. I flew the drone to get some more sunset shots. Then it was time to say goodbye to the 5-star Avani Pattaya Resort. Its friendly and helpful staff, and take a taxi to Bangkok, where we stayed at the Courtyard by Marriot Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport. As we wanted to be near the airport for our early flight to Hong Kong the next day. We had a snack of Thai spring rolls and turned in early. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.